So in this video today I'm going to discuss about components of disaster relief. So first let us know what is disaster. So disaster is nothing but it is an event which is due to man-made or natural causes. So it leads to sudden destructions in the society by causing various damages to the lives and the property. So this disaster also causes major impact to the human development and economic development. So moving briefly into the concept, let us see what is disaster relief. So disaster relief means first aid provided for alleviating the suffering of domestic disaster victims. From earlier times, disaster is considered a local responsibility of the federal government to provide assistance when local and state relief capacities are exhausted. So there are mainly 6 major components of disaster relief. They are water, food, sanitization, shelter, health, waste management. So as these 6 components are more essential to the disaster affected people, this relief is extended to the affected people under 3 aspects: immediate, short term, medium to long term reliefs. These reliefs will be assured to the people in 2 aspects, like before disaster and after disaster. So before disaster, main things like food, water have to be prepared. After disaster, keeping food and water safe, personal preparation and storage of safe water, making the surrounding premises hygiene. Generally, if any disaster happens, such type of relief activities will be taken up by the NDRF teams, which was being authorized by the central. So since India is one of the largest disaster prone countries, since from the past India has been affected with the numerous number of disasters which may be due to man-made or natural activities. Most recent Amphan cyclone, total number of 41 NDRF teams are being deployed in both the states, and these NDRF teams facilitated the evacuation of about 5 lakh people in West Bengal and 1,58,640 people in Odisha. So it was been challenging to such teams to face both the pandemic and disasters at the same time, but NDRF teams are most effective in balancing both the situations. So NDRF teams are being given more priority in addressing the disasters in any part of the India and to provide the relief to such victims of the disaster. Thank you.